Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection but you cannot browse your browser or use Google Play Store on Motorola Moto G72. And to fix this, first let's try reaching any website, but as you can see there's an error. The same as with Google Play Store, as if we try to click install on anything, it starts but in a pending mode and won't begin the download. So here let's cancel it and fix this problem by opening our settings, scroll down to find the system, date and time, and set time automatically. Now if we go back to our browser and go to any website, it works perfectly. The same as with Google Play Store, try to download the same game and it works fine. If it doesn't work for you, you might need to restart both of the applications before reaching any website or downloading apps. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.